Feel the weight of your armor as you march onto the battlefield. Each step is deliberate, the ground beneath your feet soft and unforgiving. Your heart pounds in your chest, a drumbeat of anticipation and dread. Every clang of steel is a reminder of the expectations placed upon you. You look around at your fellow soldiers, their faces a mix of resolve and fear. You are not just fighting for your own survival, but for the honor of your family, your kingdom, and your comrades. The fear of being cut down by an unseen enemy mirrors the job insecurity and corporate layoffs that haunt today's working class. Adrenaline surges through your veins as you brace for the first clash. The enemy approaches, a sea of steel and banners, their war cries filling the air. You raise your shield, the weight of it straining your arm. The first impact is jarring, a violent collision of metal and flesh. The din of battle surrounds you, a cacophony of shouts, screams, and the relentless pounding of hooves. You fight with everything you have, each swing of your sword a desperate attempt to stay alive. The armor that once felt protective now feels like a prison, restricting your movements and weighing you down. Amidst the chaos, you spot a fallen comrade. The urge to help is strong, but you know that to do so would be to risk your own life. The battlefield is a place of brutal choices. You press on, the fear of failure driving you forward. The parallels to modern struggles become even clearer. Every decision, every risk, could mean the difference between success and ruin. As the dust settles, you take a moment to reflect. You have survived another day, but the cost is heavy. The battlefield is littered with the fallen, a grim reminder of the stakes. You realize that, like in the modern world, perseverance, courage, and resilience are your greatest allies. Feel the weight of your armor as you march off the battlefield, each step a testament to your strength and resolve. The fear may never fully disappear, but neither will your determination to face it head-on.